installing a new air filter. So TBIs either come with 1 or 2 bolts, but the hole is already here for the single bolt. So this particular one came with an all thread rod. You can see this was straight. I had to bend it myself to match that offset. Then I can put on a much taller air filter. Look at my, whew, it was definitely ready for a change. There's the new. We're just going to screw that down on in there. I don't know how far. We'll try that. Very close fit. Oh boy, that looks good. Valve covers next. Screw that right down nice and tight. Get them fingerprints off of there. If anybody knows a good chrome polish that'll stop chrome from rusting, just please let me know. You can see this one, not so good. She didn't stand the test of time.